everyone! Jess is here and I hope everyone is doing well. It's been a while since the last time I saw. So for today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to make a headband. It's really easy to make and I'm gonna show you how. So keep on watching. First, we're going to make a pattern for the bow of our headband. So grab a piece of white paper, fold it in half, measure 15 cm length and 5 cm width. And mark the midpoint of the two measurements. And in the width measurements, measure 2 cm inside the rectangle and mark it. After, we're going to connect all the marks together just like this. Now cut the pattern we made and it should be look like this. So for the bow, we need to cut 2 pieces out of fabric. Next, put the bow tie onto the second bow tie, right side facing together, pin and sew it, and don't forget to leave an unsewn space to turn it right side out later. Turn it right side out through the unsewn space we made. Moving for the band and casing of the headband. Fold the two rectangles we made right side facing together, pin and sew them. Next, use safety pin to turn them right side out. I use an iron to press after I turn the fabric. So next, grab an elastic band. Use a safety pin to put inside the small fabric. Pin and sew with the two sides. Next, put the front of the big fabric onto the back of the small fabric. Put it onto the midpoint and wrap it just like this. I will do the same thing at the other side. Pin and sew them with stretch stitch. Cut the excess fabric. And then turn the fabric. And last thing to do is to tie the bow. And we're finished. And here's the finished product.
Good chicken.